Welcome back, Mad Brad. Mad Brad's Customs here, and old Gunner's been hanging with me all day because Mama's at a church event all the way in Myrtle Beach, I believe. Surfside, something like that. But guess what? We're getting close to paint on this baby. That's right. Been busy most of the day trying to get her taped up and sand it down. Got the body work done. Yeah. Crazy two little dents, but it took a lot to get them straight. But from what I can tell, with flogging it with some black paint, did it 3 or 4 times, it is straight. Yep. Alright, I got the fender off because guess what? It needs to be painted because it is red. Took the GT emblem off of it and had to do some digging with a scraper to get the glue off. But anyway, been sanding on it a little bit, and it will be sanded, primed and filled and ready tomorrow. We having some 75-degree tomorrow and Saturday, so I'm gonna try to get her painted, and I'll get you a video of that. All right, Mad Brad's Customs. Hello, Gunner. We out.